All right. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to tonight's call here about healthy fast food. We just want to thank you for jumping on tonight or watching the recording. We know that you could be doing all sorts of different things in this busy world that we live in, and you're taking the time to be with us. So just want to introduce myself really quick and some of the speakers that you're going to be hearing today. So my name is Henry. Was introduced to this whole realm of joy and this awesome community of happy, healthy people several years ago through my mentor, Denny. And if you can see, if I turn off my video, that's her. I'm actually subbing in for her tonight because she is spending some time with family. So today you're going to hear from some really good friends of mine, both who are around the Columbus area. Some have moved and then come back. My friend David Young. David, you want to go ahead and take yourself off mute and say hi to everyone?
Hello, everybody. It's great to be here.
And Sharon Kilby, another friend of mine here. Sharon?
Hi, everybody.
Sweet. Thanks for being here, guys, and volunteering your time to go ahead and share a little bit about your health journey. So to start out here, just wanted to tell you a little bit about what we're about. We partner with a company called Juice Plus. Juice Plus is what I like to call vine ripened whole food in a capsule, but it goes beyond that. You're going to hear today some stories that are very empowering about the results that that we have experienced personally. And not to say that everyone's body reacts the same way, but I know a lot of you who are here tonight and were watching the recording and are probably wondering, okay, so how is this different from all of the confusing health stuff that is out there that you hear on TV and on infomercials and all that kind of stuff? So we're going to dive into some of that too. It's a community that was started about 52 years ago by our founding president. And since then it has evolved and gotten better and better and better. So it's got a lot of longevity, and the products just keep on getting better and better and better. So there is actually a video that I'm going to share my screen because the verbiage and the video here actually does a very, very good job, better than I could do, of speaking to what we're here for tonight. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, optimize the sound, and give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Good? Okay, awesome. If you go to this, and whoever invited you to watch this recording, they can also send you how to access this video. But if you go to the freedomrevolution.com on the Learn More and the Videos tab, then there's a plethora of videos that will show not only about the products, but also about all the clinical research that's been done on it. So we're going to go ahead and show you the first video here. I'm going to click on the Vimeo link down at the bottom, and this is where we are here. So I'm going to go ahead and mute myself and let this play. It's only about 2.5 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into sharing a little bit about our personal experience.
We all know how important it is to maintain a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. But for many of us, getting the nutrition we need is harder than ever. That's why we created Juice Plus. Juice Plus is whole food nutrition made from fruits, vegetables, seeds, and other plant-based ingredients. It helps you bridge the gap between what you should eat and what you do eat. Juice Plus makes healthy living easier and jumpstarts your journey to better health, so you can get more out of life. Our 4 capsule blends are packed with whole food nutrition from over 33 plant-based ingredients, conveniently packaged and chosen to be as close to nature as possible. They're also vegan and gluten-free, designed for any lifestyle. Our fruit blend gives you the variety of a farmer's market with just one quick addition to your daily routine. Our vegetable blend helps you feel confident that you're giving your body the nutrition it needs. Our berry blend is always in season, giving you the boost you need from a variety of berries and other plant-based ingredients any time of year. And our vegan omega blend rounds out your routine with 5 plant-based omega fatty acids that skips the fish and goes straight to the algae for the true source of omega-3. When taken together, our blends can conveniently help build a solid nutritional foundation for a healthier lifestyle. How do we pack all these nutrients into convenient-to-use capsules? Our Juice Plus products start where all great nutrition begins, fresh on the farm. Our fruit, vegetables, berries, seeds, and algae are all sourced with great pride under the highest standards in order to provide the finest quality plant ingredients. Our unique farm-to-capsule processes bring that goodness into our Juice Plus blends while protecting those valuable nutrients inside. Our strict quality control measures deliver great whole food nutrition in our convenient capsules. And Juice Plus has supported independent clinical research by leading academic experts for more than 25 years, which leads to the enormous peace of mind packed in our capsules. Let's face it, it's hard to get enough of the good stuff. With Juice Plus, the journey to a healthier lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated, and we help you keep it simple. When you add Juice Plus to your routine, you get more of the nutrition you need so you can get more out of life. Let the good from within inspire a new you. Jumpstart your journey to better health today with Juice Plus.
All right, so I'm going to stop my screen share here so we can see each other. So that is, in a nutshell, what Juice Plus is as far as the products. My personal experience, so I was introduced to it through a very non-conventional way, through all things, through eHarmony. So I was actually met this girl who just looked super young and healthy. She actually looked about 12, 13 years younger than she actually was. And so did her twin sister, and found out later, met her parents and her brother, and they're all super healthy. What I didn't know was that they were just like my family, and a lot of cancer, Alzheimer's, heart attacks, and strokes and everything. And so we're no longer together, but once we separated, and I had been eating it because she had been feeding me these gummies, didn't even know that there were capsules at the time, then my skin cleared up. I used to have like all these acne scars, pits in my face from the medicine and the acne itself. My joints used to be all messed up because I used to be in the marching band and volleyball and snowboarding. And after eating these gummies, then that inflammation had just disappeared. I was able to get off of my medication and like Advil and painkillers and all that kind of stuff. And I ran out. Well, I didn't go back to her to seek for it. I didn't want to be that schmuck. But I heard about it through 3 different avenues, through church and through snowboarding, a friend I was coaching, and all sorts of different avenues. And so I ended up looking up some of the research through a friend of mine who is a dental hygienist who also carries it in her office, and was really impressed with how they use it in the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center and the Complete Health Dentistry here in Central Ohio, which I now partner with. So it's a super cool journey to see how they recommend it to all their patients. And I'm like, cool, I'm jumping in. And I spread it to everyone, my family, my friends. Sometimes I have to shut up that little voice on my shoulder because I've seen so many results in forms of pregnancy and again, heart attack and stroke and inflammation and memory and processing and everything. So, but at the end of the day, it's salad bar in a capsule. Doesn't get any simpler than that. It's not vitamins. It's not a multivitamin that has mega doses of isolated man-made stuff. It's what God put on this planet that our cells and our tissues actually recognize and are designed to be vibrant with. So that's a little bit about my story here. And I wanted to turn it over to our next guest here. Sharon, if you can go ahead and take yourself off mute and share a little bit about your health journey.
Good. Hi, I'm Sharon Kilby. So I knew Henry, I started taking the Juice Plus, and I just wanted to be healthier. So when I turned 62, I thought, okay, I'm not dead yet, so I better do everything I can to get healthier. So now I started sharing it with my friends. So the subject I saw was the fast food, and this has just been awesome. And I like to say Juice Plus is I'm the +1. So I shared it with my friends. And for one thing I'd say, when I start out my day, I start out with the shakes. And that's what helps line your stomach, and it has protein and fiber. And so I take that. If you take like an aspirin and that kind of stuff, you want to have something in your stomach. So I have the vanilla chocolate, and I love them both. And then I shared with my friend, and he was putting the chocolate in water, and I said, no, don't do that, put it in milk. So he just loves it. Then for my friend Lane, that's in a wheelchair, she loves it because she can't get out to the store as much to get a healthy thing. So we have almond milk that we love it, and coconut milk. So we do, the vanilla is awesome. If you like milkshakes, it's like awesome. And so that's why I start the day out. And then Lane said, make sure that you say, since she's been taking this, you don't need a mid-morning snack. So I'm like, awesome. And then I start out, and then I take the capsules, which is actually whole food in the capsules. So I take them one of each color with a meal twice a day, and it helps me digest the meals better. So it's less burping and that kind of thing. Then for a snack, I love oh my gosh, the chocolate and the tart cherry and honey. These are awesome. And when you open them up, you can see they're real food. They have pumpkin seeds in them. And so you know you're eating something healthy, but they're also fast. So they're very good on the go. And then I started snacking on the kids' chewable. So here's my lunch bag that is happy because it's nutritious. And the kids, let me see, I have the large bags, but you can get them in the snack size. And so these have 4, so you can put them in your kids' bags, or just get the big bags like I do. And they're really good. Chew them, snack on them, and they're good for a little pick-me-up for energy. And then they're just awesome, and you will not believe what is in these. So I'm going to end my talk on telling you this one has apple, peach, cranberry, orange, mango, lemon peel, cherry, pineapple, prune, date, and beet. And then you have the plant oils, which is the Omega Blends 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 plant oil. So what the fish eat. This has algae, pomegranate, raspberry, sea buckhorn, berry, safflower, tomato seed oil. And then we have the fruits, which has raspberry, bilberry, blueberry, cranberry, pomegranate, Concord grape, black currant, blackberry, elderberry, artichoke, and cocoa. And then you have the greens, which this was the last one I took because I thought, oh, I'm going to take this greens and kale. It's like if you eat that, you burp, have bad breath, but not with these at all. They help you. The plant enzymes help you digest. So the greens have broccoli, parsley, tomato, carrot, garlic, beet, spinach, cabbage, lemon peel, rice bran, and kale. And all that. If that's not fast food, I don't know what is. It's good. Thank you.
Awesome. Sharon, thank you so much for sharing each one of those. And that reminds me of the title of tonight, Healthy Fast Food. And so this is the fastest, healthiest type of solution that you can put into your body. And all of those 30 plus fruits and vegetables that you just mentioned and named off, that's exactly what it is. And so I'm gonna turn it over to David. And before we do that here, Sharon, thanks for also mentioning the gummies. David, if you could also share some here about how you've benefited with your family and the fact that you can get it for free for kids, that'd be awesome.
Yeah. So, hey, everybody, my name is David. I'm a mindfulness coach and an emotional intelligence trainer. So I teach companies and individuals and families how to live their lives more mindfully. And Juice Plus has made such a big difference in my own family. I'd say the gummies are amazing because my kids want the gummies. They ask me, hey, where are the gummies at? Give me the gummies. I have to make sure that I have extra or that I don't give them too many because they'll just go through an entire bag because they taste good and they're good for you because they're eating fruits and vegetables. It's one of the most, it's amazing. But one thing that's been interesting as well is I've noticed the more they're taking the gummies, the more they'll also eat fruits and vegetables when I cook them and prepare them for them. Fruits have always been pretty good, but vegetables, not always. But I've noticed over the year of my kids taking the gummies, I've introduced more and more vegetables into our diet and into their diet, and sometimes just like stir-fried vegetables only, and they're eating them now. And I think it's actually changing their gut biome and changing their taste preferences. And that's been amazing for me, because not only is it bridging the gap between what you should eat and what you do eat, it's also giving them permission to eat more of what they should eat. And so it's really great because it changes the culture of your home and the culture of your kitchen. And it's just been amazing for me. So yeah, I loved it. It's just a great, gosh, I couldn't say thank you more to it. And the gummies were like free, just because I'm taking the I'm taking the capsules. They're provided for free for the kids, so it's great. And you can do that for any child in your life that you really care about when you order the capsules for yourself. So it's an amazing program. And
Thank you, David. And it's really cool that you and your son are able to have that in relation, and you're able to gift that side of mindset to him as well, and physically changing his gut bacteria to crave more fruits and vegetables naturally. So, well, cool. We want to thank you again for just jumping in here and listening to some of our health journeys, and wanted to go ahead and share again. This is, if you forget our names here, or the healthy fast food, this is something that you can, if it's something that you heard here resonated with you, then you're more than welcome to share that with whomever. We're going to make this a public recording, so they can, you can be empowered to help your friends and family become the best versions of them as well. So thanks again for coming in tonight. And I'm going to stop the recording.
Can I say one thing? I just
Yeah,
want to
go
say,
for it.
my girlfriend just signed up when you talk about the children from age 4 to 18. So my girlfriend signed up to get, so I call it a BOGO, buy one, get one. So she signed up her order. She signed up her sister, and her sister has 3 boys. So between her, the sister, and her husband, they got 3 kids free plus their own. So I thought that was an amazing. So every girl, every shopper loves the BOGO. So that's why I call it buy one, get one. So you buy an adult, get a child's free. Yay. I was
Awesome.
excited about that.
Thanks for plugging that in there. All right. So I'm going to stop the recording here.